problem anyway. Oh, anyway. Oh, Lord, if you're there, can you help me? Oh, this way. I said I tell myself I got to get out of this catatonic state, and I just don't know what to do. Too much on my plate, I guess, to tell myself to get through. I remember, oh, at least I tell myself I do. Little rough around the edges, but my blues coming through. And then I start to stumble down and I'm looking around. I really don't know what to do. There I am again on the ground. Baby, without you, oh, without you. Cause I swear I don't see the stars. You my everything, oh, you my hell, my scars. My hell and scars. I know you're gonna look at me and see these afflictions. Oh, but so much more than just addiction. No, I'm overcome every day, and I just can't take. There I am again, overcoming all these obstacles I really don't know what keeps drumming in the. Here we go. See, it's just like that right there, getting stuck, and then the next time I'm coming through, I'm raising hair. And I didn't believe in myself, I couldn't see what I did. And one day my baby said, ooh, baby, baby, sing. No one can touch you. And I think I believed in divinity then. She said, baby, sing, oh, sing. Hell, I went as far as I did. Oops.